Yes, here we are, M26. How nice and nice long traffic jam all the way to M25. So going nowhere fast, which is a joy. Glad I'm here. Nice. So here we are again. Back at well, guess where I am? So back at Malvern, and yeah, it's a little bit of a look around today. Just want to give you an idea of what it's like to buy from here, and yeah, get the full Malvern experience. What a glorious day to be here. So outside the chassis shop at Malvern. So I'm going to turn the camera around because clearly you don't need to see my face. We're going to have a little bit of a wander through. I might just do lots of videoing, and what you'll hear next will be me doing a voiceover for it. It depends on what the noise is like and how embarrassed I feel at the time. But yeah, this is going to be a little bit of a journey. So when you've ordered a Malvern from the factory, you can pretty much blag a little bit of a factory visit with Dan. Yeah, well, I have anyway, and I would highly recommend either booking one or getting up here, because when you've got a car on order, you can actually see your car being made. You can see it after it's been painted or before. It's just, anyway, it's pretty immersive. So start the video and we'll take it from there. This is a bit of a lunch break at the moment, so this is the route that you come in, this chassis area. Everything is provided in crates and boxed up and then just bolted in. Essentially, it's a big Lego set. Which in all honesty, every car is a big Lego set. It's just how you put the big Lego set together which makes a difference. So the whole car can be spun when you're working on it. So each person will, like I say, spend 16 hours on prepping and getting each car ready, and then it will move on from there. And this, essentially, each car comes in, the chassis comes in and sits on one of those jigs. And then from there, everything else starts to be done. So this is for a +4. You can tell it's for a +4. I'm pretty certain it's a +4. One, because the wheels are on it, but also there's a big gap at this end, which is where you're missing a couple of cylinders for the 3-litre version. So this being a +4, and then I'm assuming in the background we are looking at a +6. Yeah, everything gets plugged in.
But they'll now go to have the wheels mounted, the hi-fi system put in, and then they'll start.
No, leave it there, I'll have some. That's great, I'm starving. Got a new car coming. We've got a new car coming.
343. Down there. Yeah, your engine is on the floor.
Okay. I don't want to walk around filming this like this. It's just, you know, compulsion. just, you know. Yes, this is my engine. You don't have to scoot out the way, Dan. I'm going to capture you later. Just
Yeah, what we don't realise having the gearboxes. Gearboxes is a big old thing.
yeah, exactly.
No. That's alright.
This is so cool. This bit is the bit. The last time I was here, Keith, the guy's just putting the presses into the, the movers with the bonnet. But no marks or anything, just by eye, banging them in.
Yeah, to do the movements in the body, they have
Right, so here you see the rollers for Morgan, and the different bits of kit for punching in the louvers. I tell you what, I saw someone do these last time. Pretty impressive. Well, I say pretty impressive, they're doing it by eye. It's bloody impressive, not something I'd be able to do. I'm sure with practice. I'll just present that like that, drop it in, that'll be fine. That'll be alright. That'll be okay.
Your first day.
Yeah.
I mean, that to get to that stage is probably 5 years of just confidence in it. Little things in there, you name that yourself, so you know where the wrong is. You get your fingers in there, don't you? So that's obviously that way to that way.
It's called a knife.
No, that it's I can't do what they call it. There you go.
So matter of fact, I've been doing this stuff for so long. Just presented and then done. One of the things I wanted to get across about coming to the Malvern factory and seeing what they're doing is that's my bodywork. That's mine. That's the work somebody has done on my car, and there it is. You get to see the stuff that's yours. You get someone knocking around. Look, it's like proper working it to make it fit. Yeah. That's my bodywork. The rest of the car's in the other room. So cool. Right, so just looking at this car be done. So we've got the bonnet panels now, and he's working with the fire and everything else. And whilst he's going on, he's pushing down just to make sure that you've got all the fit lines are right. It's not a matter of just cutting a piece of metal and shaping it. It's actually making sure that the balance works across the whole car. It's a skill. It's a skill. Yeah. Little bit of weight. A little bit of weight to hold the bonnet down. Yeah, skills.
So they're all glued inside. Yeah. It's been here a while now. Inside. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't need to be. Yeah, correct. Whereas on the old cars,
Yeah, do you want to stay? Now I'd stay and watch that if it was going to be sprayed.
you can go and sit there and have a sandwich while me and you watch it being painted.
Oh, no, that I'd see. That I'd happily stay and see.
I'll film it for you. You can watch it later.
Sat there with his tuna and sweet corn sandwich while we're going honestly, you should have seen this.
So awesome.
And then all of those pieces on there are all pieces made.
Okay, so I'm quickly just showing you the different finishes that you get. But whilst I'm doing that, this guy in the background there, see that man there? He looks all a bit like me, just younger, more handsome. That is the man who has polished up my centre rails and getting ready. So when I'm in the car and caressing the wood, he's caressed it before me. Do you know what the guys are doing now? What they're doing now, they're trying to find out if they can find my painted panels. I mean, that is awesome. I mean, I don't want to see them before the car's done. It'll be a bit of a tease, but I think it's pretty fantastic. You come for a tour and they find all the component parts of your car.
No.
Where I hit the wall.
That doesn't look like a bit of plastic. But I bet it will easily when you see it actually in the hole. Funny thing is, a +4 is only the same size as a 3-door Mini.
Right, okay, so here we go. So this is all the interiors and the prep being done. Yeah, my car is not at this stage yet. But here, obviously you can see. Making seats up. Nice spray boot there. Sticky. Stitching going through into the fabrics. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Decals going on there. Little room of cars. It's got sixes, the aero. That's a bit of a beast, isn't it?